We stop a few hundred yards from the station, no one says a bloody word.
Your driver speaking, we're being held at a red signal. I don't know why, but when I find out, I'll tell you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, this is your driver speaking. I'm very sorry about this delay. It's been caused by a train failure at Ashford Junction, which is blocking routes in and out of London. We're not sure how quickly we'll be able to get things moving again, but I'm afraid there'll almost certainly be a bit of a wait. I know you're very crowded and quite a few of you are standing, but if I may ask you to be as patient as you can. As soon as I receive any further information, I'll get back to you at once. Thank you.
We don't yet know how long it will take to resolve this problem, but if you prefer to continue your journey by another means, your ticket will be accepted on London Underground.
Victoria Area 19, Signal speaking.
Hello Signal, this is the driver of 2 Mike 84, standing at Victor Sierra 169 at Beckenham Junction Station.
Hello, driver 2 Mike 84 at Beckenham Junction.
Yeah, hello.
Ashford Signal at Area 86.
Yeah, hello Ashford, this is the driver of 2 November 38 at Ashford West Junction.
Yes, driver 2 November 38 at Ashford Junction.
I've come to a halt right on top of Ashford West Junction, and well, I can't release the brakes. They're completely stuck on.
I see, so you come to a halt across the junction and you can't release your brakes?
Correct. I don't know what the problem is. I may have to take a walk through, so I might be out of the cab for 5 minutes or so.
Okay, so you need some time to establish the cause and you may leave the cab to investigate?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, thank you, driver. Can you call me again as soon as you finish your inspection, please?
Yeah. Alright, as soon as I know what the problem is.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, this is your driver again. I'm really sorry, I'm unable to move the train. Fitters are on their way out to repair the fault and hopefully get us moving again as soon as possible.
We don't yet know how long...